Hello everyone, I'm Valentin Guerra, Instructional Technology Specialist at PSJA. Today we're going to do a deep dive of Google Classroom to jumpstart your journey as educators. This session is designed to help you master your digital environment from day one. I want you to think of Google Classroom as your new mission control. It is the central hub that connects your students' assignments and communication in one place. By using this platform, you will simplify your workflow, centralize all of your class materials, and significantly enhance how you communicate and provide feedback to your learners. Our first step is laying the foundation by building your first class, but you can do it in under a minute. First, go to classroom.google.com and sign in with your school account. Once in, click the plus icon and select Create a Class. Simply fill in your class details like name and section, and voila, your class is ready. Now, sometimes your district will have these generated for you. We at PSJA, we have your classroom ready at the beginning of the school year. Now let's go to Google Classroom. Type classroom.google.com. It will ask you to sign in with your credentials. Use your educator credentials, and if it asks you to, select that you're a teacher. Now let's create a class real quick. You go in here and you click on plus. You can see all the classes I already have in there. I'm going to click on Create Class. Let's type Mr. Guerra's second grade class. You can add section, subject, and room, and click Create if you're done. And just like that, we created our first class. Once your class is created, you will see your Classroom Command Center, which consists of four main areas. First is the stream, your social hub for announcements. Second is the Classwork, the engine room where you will post all your assignments. Third is people, where you manage your roster and co-teachers. Finally, the Grades tab provides a complete overview of student progress. Step 2 is opening the doors to your students. You can invite them in two simple ways. You can use the easy link by copying the invite link and sharing it via email. One click and they're in. Or you can use the classic code by displaying a unique code. Students just click Join Class and enter the code. The stream acts as your direct line to your student. Use it to share reminders and resources, or even post to multiple classes at once. You can also schedule announcements for the future. A little teacher tip: pin your most important announcements like syllabus to the top so they stay visible all the time. Let me show you how to do an announcement. You go to the Stream tab, you click on New Announcement, and you type the message that you want. Reminder for tomorrow quiz. Study. Now, remember that I told you to schedule for your future. Right here in this drop down, you could put schedule. You put schedule and you can select it any day that you want. Click in it, let's say the 14th, and you click schedule. That will put it here as a draft, and it will be ready to be posted on January 14th at 8 a.m. The Classwork tab is the true learning engine where you organize and assign everything. You have several options: assignments for gradebook, quiz assignments that integrate with Google Forms, and questions for quick exit tickets. You can also share materials that you don't require a submission and use topics to organize your page by unit or week. When creating an assignment, there is a specific anatomy to follow. Be clear with your title and instructions. You can attach or create files and links directly. You can assign to multiple classes or specific students for differentiation. Settings points and due dates automatically adds the task to the class calendar. Finally, organize it under a topic and add a rubric or originality report. When attaching a Google Doc, there is a choice that is a total game changer. Make a copy for each student, while View File is for reference and Edit File is for collaboration. The Make a Copy button is the magic button. It gives every student their own individual copy to work and to turn it. Let me show you about this button. Let's create an assignment together. Put any title that you want, you put the instructions, and then you can select any document that you have on your Google Drive already. If you have it there, click add, and this is the magic button area, the file sharing options. If you want it for each individual student to have their own copy, click on make a copy for each student. If this is going to be a collaboration, put students can edit file. And if it's just to view the file, students can view file. So let's click on make a copy for each student. And then you can put a due date, so that can put it to the calendar. And also in Assign, there's a drop down so you can schedule it in the future. Step 5 is grading. Use rubrics to transform your process. They help you set clear expectations so students know how they will be graded, and they allow you to grade faster by clicking through the rubric levels. You can provide specific feedback or even reuse affected rubrics across different assignments. We also want you to foster academic integrity by using the Originality reports as a teaching tool. When you check the Originality reports box on an assignment, students can run a report on their own up to 3 times before submitting. This helps them check for uncited content and helps you guide them on proper citation. The final step is a feedback loop. Move beyond just a grade with targeted comments directly on the document, or private comments for one-on-one conversations. Use the comment bank to save and reuse your most frequent comments with a single click it, a massive time save. The Grades tab gives you a bird's eye view of your class. You can see every assignment and student in one place. It's color-coded, so you can instantly see who has turned in work in green and who is missing work in red. You can either enter grades and return assignments directly from the screen. Google Classroom works seamlessly with the tools you already use. You can generate a unique, secure Google Meet link right in the stream, and students won't be able to join until you do. Additionally, every assignment due date automatically appears in the class calendar and the student's personal calendar. You are now ready to launch. Your core workflow is simple. Create a class, invite students, post assignments, and then grade and give feedback. Your journey is just beginning, so keep exploring. There's a bunch new tools now with AI. For more resources, just be sure to visit the Google Teacher Center. Have an amazing time and good luck.